G'day, I'm Josh from Atkinson Electrical. The manager here has complained to us that they've got new LEDs throughout most of the car park, but they're already failing after only 2 years. He's asked, do you have anything better? Today we're going to give the Titan X5 a try. Let's go try it out. So there we have it. We've just finished installing those Titans. The Titans are really easy to install because they have large termination points. They're robust and strong. They feel like they're going to hold up to me, moving them around, getting them into position and screwing them into place. They come with a 3-year warranty, and we walk away from this job knowing the customer is going to be satisfied.